Okay, for the ingredient, I have some cheese, oil, beef, and olive tapenade. And I also have some green bean and mixed salad. Okay, right now while I'm waiting for the boiling water, I'm going to prepare the shrimp on the plate that I bought from the market. The water is boiling right now, so I'm going to add green bean inside the pot. And I also add some oil inside the pot to make the green bean cook faster and tender. I'm going to cover and cook for 5 minutes. Okay, right now 5 minutes is ready. So I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, right now I take the green bean out from the pot right away after cook on the serving plate. Okay, right now I start to prepare the beef on the foil. And then I add some olive tapenade on the top of the beef. And then I put the beef inside the micro oven and set the time for 5 minutes. Okay, right now the grilled beef done. So I'm going to start cook the second plate. Okay, right now I start to prepare on the plate. Okay, everything is done on the table right now. Okay, and I have grilled beef and salad, shrimp, lemon juice, green bean, and also tradition baguette. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.